Now she's got some tunes, baby. All right, so the harness is all wired up now. Our man Johnny Boy's gonna work his magic and create a nice looking spaghetti harness. Just kidding. See this, guys? This is a factory harness and then it plugs piggybacks. What do we call that? Quad lock. But some people will say ISO harness. Quad lock in BMW terms. And now here come to the front, guys. Check this out. So what is a Sony what radio?
6000 XAV.
Wireless Carplay.
It's your Whipper and Kate Ritchie, where someone is winning $10,000
with the radio cranking.
Fucking scared the shit out of me, bro.
My luck, I did. Find out about that, all right? And I'll continue your fresh hits next with Gracie Abrams. That's so true.
Here we are, another car. Customers come in. BMW. Some wiring, some spaghetti here in the back. What's your thoughts, Honza, on this one? He can't hear me.
We'll make it work.
Yeah, baby. Are you're pulling more of the slack?
No, I'm trying to do my magic here, but it's really hard.
Man, well, this has got a stacker and everything.
Okay.
Wow, look how rusted the jack is. Wow.
Precisely cut.
Very, very nice. Look at that. Thanks, Theo. What a ledge. Cheers.
JB rubbish.
I'll go and buy it for you. Oh, yeah, boy.
Why the Sony, bro? The big one.
Can't make it into venue? Download the Fun app and reload online. Search Time Zone Games.
Here we go, the heavy artillery. So what's that? BSW, what is this? Boom! Ha!
Turn it on.
Go. The customer already had made fabricated. Just tidied it up for you. We mounted it with brackets. Let's.
Did the sub work?
Yeah, bro. I did.
There's one more car coming in.
See, Alex. FJ Madness. Head technician. Sound engineer. Engine engineer.
That.
Energy low. $5 What's going on, mate? What's going on, mate? It's 5 o'clock. Devil fire, babe. Welcome back to the channel. We got our man stripping the side here, Johnny boy. And Malik here pulling out the head unit, so we're putting a Vline
Carplay system.
dash is already stripped, guys. So the customer wanted to put the box behind the glove box, so we got Johnny boy here on the left side. We are in Australia stripping the lovely left side of the car, and Michael's on the brains there in the middle. It's a late model Land Cruiser. That's it. New stomping grounds for Benda's HQ.
Can't see us for any radio upgrades. Right, so we've got that
Well,
one.
go online and check us out.
It's not a bad idea either.
Okay, finished product, guys. Dash is all back together. So the customer wanted to mount the chrome unit inside the glove box just in case if there's any issues and troubleshooting. He's got it here. We mounted it to the top of the roof. Made a harness, just ran it, looped it to the radio. But it looks tidy. Now we're just going to pair the phone. Bluetooth or what? So the factory screen will turn on. We'll press continue. Now we long press the home button and the screen will flick over to the CarPlay. Perfect. And then we just got to pair our phone and we're good to go. We got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto to the factory screen. Let's go. You think your reverse camera is good? Look at this thing, mate. TVI HD.
Super clear then. Front. What about front camera?
Yeah, you're right.